Hey everybody, Pretty Bird, we're back for a second little video. Alright, so I've got my little knife here and I'm going to show you guys the ingredients that I put together for Pretty Bird's snacks. I figured I'll prep some while we're out here. So first, I'm going to show you guys what I put in. So we got broccoli, we got a cucumber, which as you can see Pretty Bird loves cucumbers. We've got little big carrots, and we've got some kale. Alrighty. And I bought several Ziploc bags. So basically what I do is I get a cucumber cut up for her. And I cut the cucumber in dices. It's just the way that she likes to eat it the best. Anyways, so I have a little plan for Pretty Bird's birthday, but I want to figure out some things before that, and I was thinking about asking everyone's help. So, Pretty Bird does enjoy a variety of foods, but what are you doing? Hey, what are you doing? Want a cucumber? Cucumber? Ooh. Yum, yum. Yes, Pretty Bird loves that cucumbers. Yes, we do. Yum, yum. Oh, drop part. There you go. Yum, yum. There you go. Anyways, so Pretty Bird's birthday is coming up. Oh, thank you. Here, actually, you know what? Why don't I let you? There you go. How's that look? Pretty Bird, you coming? Where you going? Come on, hang out. Look, your friends, they're watching right there. See? Right there, your friends are watching. Your friends are watching. Mama kisses. Mama kisses. Thank you. Oh, see Mama's hair tie? It's okay. She's scared of the polka dots. Anyways, come on. So, here, have some more num-nums. Num-num? Want cucumber? Oh, you dropped it. Anyways, so here was my plan. I was thinking that for Pretty Bird's birthday, we would try and see if there might be any other foods that she might enjoy. Well, whenever Pretty Bird tries a new food, and especially if she's trying to figure out if she likes it or not, or even if she doesn't like it, she behaves actually kind of goofy. It's really funny. She'll eat it, and then she flings it out of her mouth with her mouth open, and she's just like, I don't like it. And her tongue kind of hangs out a little bit, and it's really funny and cute actually. So, by the way, cut it in little cubes like this, just right for her size to eat it. Perfect snack size for her messy little self. Anyways, let's not waste all of our cucumbers, okay? Here, a couple right there. So I was thinking, on a side note, I'll be double checking everything everyone suggests just in case to make sure that it wouldn't be bad. But my idea was that how about everybody suggest foods for Pretty Bird to try for her birthday meal. But we're gonna do the video soon so we can figure out what she likes and what she doesn't like, so we can give her a combination of foods that she likes. But I thought that it might be fun to give her all these different foods to try out so that she can, you know, figure out what she likes. We can see maybe what other geese eat, and also I thought it might be fun if you know, y'all get to see her try the different foods. Might be funny. You know, we've all seen the baby thing where somebody gives the baby a lemon or a citrus, or they try something and they make the cutest little face, right? Pretty Bird. Come back.
Your friends are over here.
Anyways, so I got the cucumber. Well, a good amount of cucumber cut up in little dice. This is just supposed to show you guys how I do it. And for the kale, take it off. By the way, this has all been pre-rinsed, and I just rip the cucumber into little pieces like this. As you can see, she loves her kale. Did you steal kale from Mama? And I just rip it up. You still have some.
Put it in for the game. Here, you gotta grab it.
So whenever you make food for a goose, you're gonna want to keep the goose separate. You don't want to do it right in front of them because they will steal the food, especially if they love it. Look at that. Nom nom. Nom nom. Get all that grass around you, but no, Pretty Bird needs the kale. Nom nom. Hey, look at that. You stole all the kale. Anyways, and I take the stick and I break it into little small pieces because she does eat this part too sometimes. Nom nom. Not my hair. Nom nom. We show everybody how much you love your kale. Nom nom nom. I just enjoy her so much, and I hope you all enjoy her too, because she just is the sweetest thing, you know. She has an attitude, especially lately. I mean, the hormones this season, I mean, she surprised me a few times with, you know, having a little bit of an attitude going on and being stubborn and opinionated. Yeah, you did. But Mama loves you, right? Mama loves you. Mama have kisses? Can Mommy have kisses? Thank you. There she goes.
Give me that.
Anyways, so I'm gonna use the other stick for food. Where did that kale go that you already ate? There you go. Look. There's still some food right there. Greedy little thing. Anyways, I don't put a whole bunch of the stick part in there. I just put like some of it in there. And now since we're out here, and I'm not actually gonna, you know, put it in her nest right now, in her bowl. Saying hi to everybody. You say hi to everybody? You say hi? Mama have kisses? Cuckoo. Are you okay? Yes, I know. What do you see? What's the alarm? What's the alarm? Yeah, it's okay. Yes, it's okay. I know. I know. Alright, so I'm going to start putting this stuff in the Ziploc bag so Pretty Bird doesn't steal all of it. Otherwise, she'll eat it all. Alright, Pretty Bird. Alright. Now we've got cucumber, we've got kale. Oh, thank you. Now we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna do the carrot. And the carrot, that's the part that always takes forever because I kind of cut them into these itty bitty tiny squares. Hey, bud. I don't know. Check it out. Boots is just checking her water. Okay. Stay here. Anyways, I make the pieces very tiny, as you can see. And then I just add them in there. She doesn't really like carrots for some reason. I mean, even though I guess geese are supposed to like carrots. Hey, it's okay. It's okay. It's okay. You're safe. You're safe. Make sure. Yep. There's a dog at the playground, but the dog's on the leash. Mama's paying attention. Anyways, like I said, I make little tiny pieces. Carrots. Add to the food. Anyways, about your birthday again. I keep getting distracted over here, and I gotta pay attention to our surroundings. Anyways, like I said, what do you guys think? Would you like to comment on this video and send me some ideas of what you think might be fun, or what you think Pretty Bird might enjoy, or what might be funny to watch her try? And I'm going to mention again, I will be checking everything twice just to make sure that it's safe for her to try it or to eat it. But I thought it might be fun like this. And then I'll make a video of her trying all these different foods. What are you doing? What are you doing? Are you a big bird? So pretty. Cuckoo. Cuckoo. Of course, at home I have more than just a little knife, so it probably goes a lot faster than this. You hear the birdies? The bird heard the birdies? Huh? It's okay. It's okay. Dee Dee's okay. She spotted her brother. Now she's got to look and make sure he's okay. Oh, as soon as a baby cries at the playground, most of the time anyways, I don't know if it's just the ones that sound like her siblings or the ones that where she knows them, but she gets really uncomfortable about that. Like, she knows that cries are bad. Anyways, just 1 second. Oh, sweetie, you're outside playing, okay? Go on, go play with your friends. You're good. His friend was supposed to be here. Now he's not here. And there's a bunch of babies at the playground. So, but he's good about playing with babies. Anyway. Pretty bird! Pretty bird! What are you doing? So, got some carrots in there. Ooh. Come here, look. Ooh, nom nom. Nom nom. Good nom nom. Nom nom nom. Nom nom. Good girl. Alright, and then the broccoli. This is the easy part. I mean, next to the kale, of course. I just go over the area where the food is, and I just slice off all the little particles, the little, well, I don't even know what they're called, sprouts? Just the crown of the broccoli, basically. I just cut it into the food. It just so spreads in beautifully. And then I just keep cutting downward. Hey bird, you're hiding behind me. Nobody can see you. Good bird. What are you doing? It's okay. It's okay. Yeah. Anyway, so this is the majority of Pretty Bird's food. Now it does vary sometimes, you know, but these are like the main ingredients that she likes to eat, that she enjoys to eat, that she actually eats. And I make her a bowl of this late in the evenings, like before I go to bed, so that you know, overnight I don't know what it is with geese, but geese don't sleep throughout the entire night. Like, they wake up every so often. And to make sure she's got something to snack on, you know, something to eat. I'm gonna mix all her food together. What's that? Oh, yum yum. Nom noms. Nom nom. Ooh, nom noms. Right, looks like we did good. Oh, it's inside. There you go. Alrighty. So now, Pretty Bird's enjoying her salad. Anyways, so fold away my knife, and I'm gonna show you guys what I add. Not always, sometimes. So, sorry. Let's see. Pretty Bird. Pretty Bird. Ah, the sun's right there. Come on, Pretty Bird. Hey, Pretty Bird, look. Oh, look. Your friends want to see what's on your food. Ah, yeah. She's the bag. Watch. Look. She's like, I want my food now. If she recognizes it, I think. So if you guys want to be part of her birthday salad recipe and experimentation, I guess you'd call it, then leave a comment on this video, please. Let me know what you think she might possibly enjoy, or what you think that might be fun for her to try, you know, and then I'll put together a video. I'll go to the store, I'll buy the items as soon as I have the money for it. and we'll put together a video of Pretty Bird trying out some new foods. Sound good, Pretty Bird? Yeah? You want to try some num nums? Yes? Look, can you say bye-bye to your friends? Say, can you help me figure out some num nums for my birthday? Num 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 num. Mama's got more num nums for you. Come on, look. Look, come on. Say bye, everybody. Bye-bye. We love you. Say bye-bye, Pretty Bird flock. So don't forget to like the video, subscribe to our channel, leave a comment, and share the video with your friends and family if you enjoyed it. Alrighty, y'all. Bye.